Welcome to Fusion Cam lesson activity 4. In this lesson, we'll create the setup for the left side of the car, as well as set our units to millimeters. First, let's compress sketches and let's turn off origin so we don't have to look at these planes anymore. Next, let's go to the CAM workspace. We do that by clicking here and selecting CAM. The CAM toolbar is now displayed and the CAM browser is displayed, which works much the same as the other browsers that you've used. Make sure our units are set to millimeters. If not, just click on this icon from inch to millimeter and then cancel that. The CAM toolbar works from left to right. First we'll do setup, we'll create a 3D toolpath, we'll use some simulation, and then we'll post the code. But the first thing we have to do is setup. We need to set up our coordinate system so it reflects how the part will be set in the CNC machine. We'll select New Setup. Two things have just happened right here. Our stock model has been displayed. This is the block of material you'll start with, and our work coordinate system. First thing we need to do is move the work coordinate system to the center of the CO2 cartridge, which we described by these intersecting lines. We do that by going over here and selecting Selected Point, which means when I select a point, it will move the work coordinate system gnomon to that point. The next thing we need to do is orient the axes correctly. Since we will be cutting from this direction, we need to flip the z-axis. There are two switches on the z-axis. We'll pick the cone, and that will flip the z-axis. Now z is pointing towards the top of the car, x is pointing towards the nose, and y is pointing down. If your axes are set exactly like mine are, go ahead and select OK to get out of the setup box. And then we'll go rename our setup here by soft clicking into here. So you do a click and you wait a second and click again. And we'll come in here and call this setup left. Put a dash in there. Always good to name everything in your browser. You need to go back to it and edit it. Now that we've made some progress, let's make sure we save it. Go up to the save icon and click save. Say OK. Next, we want to modify our stock model, this kind of olive drab color, to the exact shape of the stock that we're going to use. We do that by right-clicking on Setup and selecting Edit and selecting Stock. We want to select a fixed stock box, and that size is 212 millimeters by 50 millimeters by 65 millimeters. We also want to make sure that our stock is actually equal to the back of the car. So we want to change that on our x-axis here from center to offset from the left side and make that offset 0. And we'll select OK. Now we can see that our stock is perfectly surrounding our model. The last thing we have to do is tell the system what surfaces we're actually going to cut. We do that by coming back up here and right-clicking, selecting Edit, and we'll say Model Body. If there is only one body, when you click Body, it will highlight. Select OK. This concludes the video for Activity 4.